entertainers in the building, nigga.
Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come to the show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come to the show goes on.
Never had the feeling that you was being had. Know that shit that make you mad. They treat you like a slave. Put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth. Hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh. Put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats. Then get busy on they ass. See, that's how that shit tell me. That's how my daddy
Wait, just right, and then we'll all jump. Rocky, you see this jump? This jump is about 2 stories high. We're about to jump off of it. Ready, Mike? Okay, let's go! Let's do it. Come on, Tanner! Woo! Baby! Come on, you see that? His hat! No.
1 in the air for the people in here, 2 in the air for the mother that's there, 3 in the air for the kids in the ghetto, 4 for the kids that are there, 5 in the air for the teachers.
Yeah. We're gonna call it a good dance to snow left. You look good, man.
These ghetto girls and boys I'm rapping around the world for. Africa to New York, Haiti then I detour, Oakland out to Oakland, Gaza Strip to Detroit. Say hip hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son
do it, dude.
have a gun and never be a D.
Joe, you got it. You got it, man. We got to take. And bring it. You got it, dude.